Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need a live photo ready and your iPhone up to date. This avoids compatibility issues. Once you have the live photo open in Photos, tap the live icon to ensure the motion is recorded and scrub a few frames to pick the exact moment you want. Make sure the file isn't set to loop or bounce yet. Those come later. While you're here, confirm the photo is not in shared albums with edits that strip live data, because you'll need the original live file intact. Now go to Settings and choose Wallpaper, then add new wallpaper and select live photos so the system preserves motion. You'll position and scale by pinching. Make sure the subject is centered on the lock screen preview because parallax may crop edges. Once satisfied, tap Set and pick lock screen only or set both. You must press and hold on the lock screen to trigger the live effect. The home screen will remain static unless you set both. This ensures the live motion plays when you want it to. Finish by locking the phone and pressing firmly on the lock screen to test playback. You should see motion immediately. If it does not play, make sure low power mode is off and the image is still a live photo in Photos. Converting to a still or exporting may remove motion. Once done, if problems persist, restart the iPhone and reapply the live photo wallpaper. This often restores the live flag. If that fails, try a different live photo to isolate a corrupted file.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.